this is David with the Prepper Bookshelf, and I've got a stories guide for you today. I really like these story guides, right? They're basically encyclopedias of, prepper country skills, This one is Basic Country Skills, a practical guide to self-reliance. It's one of the newer ones. A lot of good pictures, a lot of good hints. Doing vegetables, wildflowers, garden pests, trellising, vining crops. We're trying some grapes out in the yard, greenhouses. Something I'm gonna have to do in a couple of years, building a tree house. Country cooking, basic butchering, food preservation, managing chickens and cows and goats and rabbits, lambs. Building barns, building fences. I used this book as a reference when we built our fence. It was a little harder than than what I thought. Talk about different kinds of dogs, beekeeping. This book, like other story books, they really don't go into depth of any one topic, right? But they cover a lot of useful basic information on multiple topics. And so, for the size and the price, there is a wealth of knowledge in here. If you knew everything that was in this book, you would you'd have a great start in being self-sufficient. So, real worth the money. And like I said, I pretty much try to buy all the story books. And these are more like coffee table. I got a spare minute. Let me just dig through and ooh, that's cool. I want to try that. Hey, wow, kind of thing, rather than me just sit and look through. Or if I have a problem, like right now my bees are pretty aggressive, so I'll come over here to the bee section and over here to the bee section and see if it's got anything on it. It might not, but it might give me some ideas of where to go. Okay, so anyway, here you go. Good book to get stories, basic country skills. And until next time, I appreciate you watching. You can always catch us online at purplebookshelf.com.